I need no one. No one needs me. I consigned myself to my own island a long time ago.
Finally, a name for this. That is me. That is my word.
Some yellow pills, a stiff martini to wash them down. And it is done. Is my skin really softer? Is my face really fuller? Am I just imagining it? More pills, months? No, I'm not imagining it. I knew about the outer changes, weight migrating, edges rounding, hair softening, but I'm not prepared for the inner changes. They're intense.
Pardon me, miss. 3 words. Pretty dull as words go. But they mean everything to me. Everything. For I have passed to the man who said those words in passing.